You are going to love the 2021 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.